Gabi sa barkada, olas di gulutum, mantiner kamuti, hasta lang kalambot, timpo tagalani. Bayo kong gisi, sanglit isa lamang.
With 43 member federations and associations in 43 of our 80 provinces in the country. We are 27 years old, assisting our members in defending their rights over their land and fishery resources, assisting them to become more productive sustainably in their struggle to have more integrated, diversified, organic farming systems, assisting them to become more powerful in the market by giving them better prices and negotiating power to have better prices and for their products. And we are also assisting our members to become meaningful partners of government in the policy making and in the implementation of various agricultural and agrarian reform programs. We are here in this area to be able to assist our members here recover and build better as they wrestle with the aftermath, devastating impact of Typhoon Haiyan. Most of our 1,000 people here in this small village in the province of Antique has been affected adversely, and we're providing them opportunities to get back to their seaweed seedlings back into the sea, so they're able to become more productive again as seaweed farmers. We're very much thankful to the partnership, the new partnership we have with Fondation de France, who have provided all the necessary support, financial support, for them to be able to buy the seedlings, rebuild their boats. We chose this place not only because our members are here, but also we found that many of our members do not receive the necessary support we are expecting from government and other donor agencies. This place is quite remote. 9 people were killed in one island. Most, 150 boats were lost, ruined, and most of the seaweed seedlings and plantation they have were destroyed.
Tying the seaweeds to plant again in the sea. She's cutting the seaweeds into small, into like these big pieces, and then tie it again. So after tying that, it will plant again in the sea. So let it grow for 2 months. After 2 months, you will harvest.
After Typhoon Haiyan, the Pakisaman, because they already have a project here in Kaluya, they help the people of Kaluya, especially those who are in association and those who are affected, to rebuild their livelihood and made a resiliency plan for how they would adapt to the climate change we are having. Other sectors such as farmers are also affected by the Typhoon Haiyan. We also have this program for them. The plan is the organic farming with the use of Korean natural farming system, which is we encourage other people to plant vegetables to their backyards, because after the Typhoon Haiyan, where they lost their coconuts, their bananas, and those plants and crops need to be recovered after 1 year. But if they started to plant vegetable in their backyard, then they're able to get extra food and lessen the expenses for their families.
This is the area we are also protecting this. EPSA protecting the area of mangroves, because Before, we don't know that mangroves are important for us. But when Shannon sent us the UP professor to give us the knowledge to how to protect the mangroves and the species of mangroves, we already know that out of 33 species of mangroves here in the Philippines, 32 species are located here in Kaluya and Semirara. The IPSA plan to protect the mangroves that is helpful to the people. So we already thankful for the people who helping us to continue knowing about our surroundings. Before, we never know about our surroundings.
Suot nga dili maplan saan asalang kalambot sa munis